In this video, I'll show you how to turn ChatGPT into a professional assistant for writing clear and effective standard operating procedures. I begin by typing a detailed prompt that establishes a strict set of writing standards, focusing on an instructional tone and a step-by-step format that requires no prior knowledge to follow. ChatGPT confirms it understands the mission and presents a structured framework that will be used for every document it creates moving forward, covering everything from the initial purpose to a final quality checklist. Next, I ask it to write a specific SOP for social media content creation and scheduling to help manage a digital marketing workflow. The AI generates a thorough 9-step process that covers everything from the initial client brief and graphic design to the final scheduling in Hootsuite. This result ensures that every post is approved and logged correctly, providing a high-quality checklist to prevent any common errors before content goes live. To test it further, I request a procedure for the client onboarding process, starting from the moment a new contract is signed. The result is a comprehensive guide that outlines how to send welcome emails, conduct kickoff calls, and organize client folders in Google Drive. This level of detail keeps the team aligned on timelines and ensures no critical steps are missed during the busy onboarding phase. Finally, I ask for a reusable SOP template that I can apply to any new process within the company. ChatGPT provides a clean and versatile layout with dedicated sections for roles, tools, and troubleshooting, allowing me to document any future task in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.